Hey guys, today's episode is on this filthy 2006 Kia Spectre that was absolutely trashed by a teen driver. This was the second vehicle I'd ever detailed a little over a year ago. It was a monumental undertaking to say the least. This remastered video will be a shortened version of that detail. In my last video, I included a movie quote from the great movie Scarface. It was a line from Tony Montana played by Al Pacino. It's easily one of the most recognizable quotes in movie history. The first person to correctly identify it in the comments was Ariana. She also said that my impression was a strong 6. Let's see if people can catch the quote in this video. The carpet in the Kia was in horrible condition, and a good once over with the vacuum revealed just how worn it was, with pieces of carpet wearing all over into tight little knots. I was able to remove most of it with the drill brush. I also spent some time pulling those pieces off to make it look a little less worn. I even had to remove the center console and found some of those sweet waffle crackers I used to eat as a kid. The carpet was completely covered in stains from years of spilled pop and coffee and other liquids. The second I saw these stains, I took 4 steps backward with a cigarette in my mouth and said, "You're going to need a bigger extractor." I spent more than 6 hours just extracting the carpets, with a minimum of 3 applications of cleaning solution, but I gotta admit that even I was shocked at just how clean they came. Much of it looked completely new once I was finished. The seats were also in rough shape, with this driver's seat being a darker shade of gray than the rest of the vehicle. No worries though, as I was able to remove almost all the filth and return them to pristine condition. I was even able to remove this spot of mold that must have been the result of something spilled between the seat and the console some time ago. With the toughest part of the detail out of the way, I can relax a little bit and turn my attention to the trim on the center console. I got my cleaning solution, detail brush. Unfortunately, this was before I had purchased my steamer, but with a little elbow grease, I was still able to get it looking 100 times better. This Kia has a new lease on life. Did you sink your teeth into the movie quote? If so, head on down to the comments and put the movie in character and what you thought of my impression. This one is a little harder than last week, but the hint is, I don't smoke. Also, let me know if you're a fan of that movie or not. If you found the video satisfying, go ahead, give it a like and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, keep it clean.